Hi, I'm Kishan Pillay, and I was born and raised in South Africa. For the last 25 years, I've called the UK my home. My journey's been anything but straightforward, and every step has shaped me into the person who I am today. And that's why I started KLAP Property Group. When I first arrived in the UK 25 years ago, I worked on building sites as a scaffolder and a garden boy. It was hard work and it taught me resilience and how to build from the ground up, quite literally. Later, that moved me into selling motorcycles, where I discovered the thrill of creating opportunities and delivering value for others. That ultimately led me to being part of a team that set up the very first showroom for Triumph motorcycles that is now replicated globally. That opened the doors into the tech world for me, where I started at the very bottom. I was the guy making the cold calls for enterprise account managers, and over time, I grew into becoming the major enterprise account manager for across the Middle East and Africa. Each chapter gave me a fresh skill and new perspective, and the confidence to think bigger. But I knew I always wanted to create something of my own, and that's why I founded KLAP Property Group. Today, we focus on sourcing the very best property deals across the northeast of England, from Blyth to Middlesbrough. For me, it's more than the bricks and mortar. It's about helping people invest wisely and creating opportunities and building something that lasts. I'm also a dad of three amazing kids. In fact, their initials are the name of my company. They inspire me to keep moving forward and think long term and to show them determination, and you can turn any challenge into a stepping stone. And when I'm not working, I'm usually outdoors. If the weather's great, you'll find me around a barbecue, what we in South Africa call a braai. My story is proof that no matter where you start, you can reinvent yourself and push through challenges and build a future that you can be proud of. And that's what drives me every day, helping other people take those same steps forward in property and in life. This is just the beginning. I'm really excited to see where this journey is heading. If you'd like to connect with me, please connect with me on all the socials or contact me directly at clappropertygroup.com.